Welcome to the first ever Fluency Waterfall task on ESL. Very well. On a normal day, you will have 3 tasks, but just as a waterfall begins with a trickle before it takes on its full form, so too, today you will have a single task. Tomorrow, this will grow to 2 tasks, and every day after, you will have 3 tasks. ESL very well believes in the power of spaced repetition. Come back every day for the greatest impact on your language proficiency. We strongly encourage you to turn on some kind of recording so you can listen to your performance. This may be uncomfortable at first, but it will make a difference in the effectiveness of this activity. Today's 90-second task is on the theme of environmental sustainability. After the prompt is presented, you will have 20 seconds to prepare and 90 seconds to speak. Good luck.
What is the biggest environmental problem we face today?
You did it. Stop your recording. Listen to it and make a plan for how you would like to improve tomorrow when you come back. It will be the second task of the day, and you'll only have 60 seconds. Remember to subscribe to the newsletter if you'd like to receive the daily drop-in.